Alright, so welcome back again. So in this wonderful and exciting tutorial, I'll be trying to show you some very nice thing that is available on this platform, DataCTF, which I was working over the weekend. I want to know your opinion if it's okay. So if I come back to this place, this is inside the archive. If I click on something like this, you're going to see a visualization of HashiCorp.com, right? All the various links that are connected to HashiCorp.com. I'm going to see it, right? So if I come back here, see the data set, so the source and the target. So it scans through the website and then it finds the links and then builds some very nice plots of it, which is quite huge. And this is what you get, right? Very, very nice, very cool. So in another video tutorial, I showed you how to build this, but this is just one way of it, right? I can expand this with Plotly because this is built with Plotly. And then you can see some of the stuff. So if I click on it, you can see the different links that are connected, and then their communities, right? So the different colors represent the particular community that it belongs to. Let's try a different one. If I go back again to the archive, and let's try something like I want to try a different link. So let's go with, let's say, Palantir or LangChain. Let's go with LangChain. If I go with LangChain, see that not a lot, but you can see the different communities of links or URLs that are connected to the langchain.com website, right? And if you can see that these are all connected to LangChain from GitHub, that's why they are in the same color. And then there is some from the official LangChain, Langsmith. There is YouTube, right, for LangChain, and these are all the links connected to it. There is also Airtable. There is also Airtable and then some links from Web Archive. I had no idea that Web App Archive is having some stuff with LangChain. And there is also for the blob itself and the rest, right? So this is a very simple application. Let me know if it's a good idea and if you like it, so that I can make it open and available for others to also check. So thank you for watching, and then see you another time. Stay blessed. So you can do a lot of things with this, right? So this is for LangChain. There is also one for Palantir. If I go back to blog.palantir, which is quite huge, it's going to take some time. I think I could also add some progress bar to it, which is quite huge and very nice. So this is everything on the Palantir website, right? All the different links. So Palantir Medium, there is blog.palantir, there is medium.com. These are all things that I've found here. If I go to blog.palantir, right? If I go here, the first page, whatever links are connected to it is what is showing there. So it traverses through it using breadth first search, and then it finds all of these links, right? Which is very cool. This is just one layer, one level, not very, very deep, and it's very cool. Thank you for watching, and then see you, and let me know your opinion about this. Stay blessed. Jesus saves.